Good afternoon. My name is Jeff Morrow, and I'd like to show and explain my science English textbook called The Environment Project. The Environment Project, Solutions for a Changing World, was published by Perception Press and illustrated by Michi Mathias. The book contains very accessible activities related to basic science topics in English. There are 12 topics and 12 units in TEP, and the students have an opportunity to learn topics such as what is environmental science, the atmosphere, alternative energy, recycling, ecosystems, environmental economics, and more. The book is designed to take students through thinking about the topic in a picture activity and then a reading related to each topic in which students can learn and internalize vocabulary through comprehension and vocabulary cloze activities. Next, students engage in a mind map listening activity where they draw mind maps while listening to a conversation and a talk based on the topic of the unit. Then they draw mind maps to learn and internalize vocabulary and other concepts in a visual manner. In the next section, students can practice communication in pairs and small groups using a variety of styles, from discussion to role play to agree or disagree activities. In the next section, this is the Design It activity section. Here, students must design an element, a process, or an idea related to the unit topic, such as a recycling center or their own form of alternative energy. They can draw and design in the textbook after brainstorming with partners, and this section can be started in class and finished in the subsequent classes or even given for homework. Presentations can also be done on this section, and presentations can be completed using their designs and explanations in pair or group work activities and even in front of the whole class. Students can also practice making PowerPoint presentations relating to each topic using their own ideas and concepts and designs. After presenting, the following activity is centered around sentence writing using keywords from the first page of the unit. Here, students can practice their English grammar through the sentences, which are often written on the board randomly and corrected by the teacher or even other students. The last section in each unit is a short writing where students can further practice writing in internalization of the topic subject matter through putting their ideas and thoughts and opinions on paper, which can be then checked by partners. So there you have it. The Environment Project Solutions for a Changing World can help students of all ages and backgrounds, whether they be studying ESL or EFL or merely having an interest in science. So if you're interested in the book, pick it up, please. Have a look at it. I didn't really show the sections while I was talking, so let me just go through that quickly. This is the first activity in each unit. As I said, students have an opportunity to look at a picture relating to the topic. In this case, of course, it's alternative energy, and then students look at keywords and gather the information and meaning of the keywords from each other about the vocabulary they know and don't know. Then students have an opportunity to read about the subject, about the topic, and then after that they can practice comprehension activity by covering the reading. So then they can just attain the answers from memory. In the vocabulary cloze activity, of course, they use the keywords from the first page to put in the blank spaces, which can be checked also on the board. And here, listening C, part C is listening and making notes in the mind map activity, where, of course, one main word goes in the center box, but they can extend outwardly, utilizing similar concepts and vocabulary around the mind map. Here is the the variety of subject section. In this case, it's agree or disagree. But students have an opportunity to practice with pairs and small groups in this section. Section E is the design it, the presentation activity for the environment projects, and we call them environment project relating to each unit. In this case, students have an opportunity to design their own form of alternative energy, in which they brainstorm, outline here. They can draw a design in this box, and here they write an explanation in English. Of course, after designing and explaining to their partners or in small groups, they have an opportunity to get feedback from partners and group members. And of course, if this is done in the whole class as a presentation activity in front of everyone, of course, I'll give them feedback at the end of the semester as to their presentations. Yes? Now we have the final two sections in each unit. Part F is keyword sentences, utilizing the keywords to further practice grammar writing. These are often shared on the board, and I often correct them. Students can have an opportunity to try out grammar sentence structures that they think might work, they think might be viable, yes, and then they can have an opportunity to see if they're good or not. The same can be held true for writing. Here students kind of wrap up the topic that we talked about for the day. And then also at the end, the students can also give a little bit of a hint about the upcoming topic, which they can share their feelings on that. Finally, we have Dr. Jeff's environmental challenge quiz, in which students quiz each other on a question related to the topic of that particular unit. The answers are all in the back of the book. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and that was my presentation on the Environment Project Solutions for a Changing World. Thank you very much.